It's time to shape your offer, how you'll price, package, and position it for real impact. This short video will guide you through choosing a pricing model, defining a packaging strategy, and positioning your offer to reflect the value you deliver. Let's start here. Pricing is more than just numbers. It's about how you communicate the value, the transformation your learners will experience. So, who are you building this for? What outcome are they working toward? And what's the cost of staying stuck where they are? This is where product market fit comes into play. When your offer solves a real problem and your price reflects that value, that's when things click. Let's walk through a few common pricing models. One-time payment. These are best for digital downloads, mini courses, and self-paced content. It's easy for learners to understand and commit to, and it's simple for you to manage. Next, payment plans. These are ideal for flagship courses or coaching offers. These are great for higher ticket programs and making them more accessible, and they let you earn more while reducing upfront friction for buyers. Subscriptions. These are great for memberships, communities, or ongoing content. They can help build recurring revenue and long-term engagement, and they work well with monthly or annual tiers. But pricing doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's tied to positioning. How you offer is perceived in the market. Think about the value you deliver, the transformation you offer, and how your price reflects that. So here are some typical price ranges. For self-paced courses, $249 to $499, digital downloads, $29 to $79, and for high-touch programs like coaching, $750 and up. Next, packaging. Packaging is how you increase perceived value and boost actual results. For example, bundles. You combine a course, a download template, and a live session. This is more value, but in one offer. Upsells. Offer add-ons at checkout, like private coaching session or community access that actually help enhance the learner experience. Done right packaging helps your learners succeed and increases your revenue. So how do you land on the right price? Start by looking around your niche. What are others charging for similar outcomes? What kind of experience are they offering? How are they positioning it? Then work backwards from your goals. Get clear on your learner and the transformation that you're promising. Choose a pricing model that fits your product and audience. Decide how to package your offer for maximum value. Then sense check your pricing with competitor research and then your own positioning. Your offer can evolve, but action beats perfection every time. You've got this. Let's keep building.